In this video, I'll show you how to attach a document to a page, blog post, or email in Hubspot so people can download or open your files easily. To do that, you first need to head over to what you want to open. You can either open your content and go to your website pages, or choose blog posts, or choose emails. In my case, I've chosen my blog or my actual page. Now just highlight the text or select the image that you want to add as a link. Here we have this image, so let's click on this. From there, you should be able to see the link icon on the toolbar. Click the link option. From here, you can choose the file that you want to upload and then insert it. If you choose an image, it will ask for a link instead of a file. But if you choose text, for example, select this text and click on Insert. Then from the window, you can see the option to insert or embed. Choose Link, then choose File and select the file that you want to upload. Upload it and insert it. With this, you can attach and link documents directly in your Hubspot content. That's it for attaching documents in Hubspot. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick Hubspot tutorials.